This is the solution for question number 18 from the National 5 2014 physics paper, multiple choice. A spacecraft completes the last stage of its journey back to Earth by parachute, falling with constant speed into the sea. The spacecraft falls with constant speed because... Right, so there's a list of possible options here, so let's just go through them and see which one is correct. The gravitational field strength of the Earth is constant near the Earth's surface. That's true, but I don't really know how relevant it is to this question. So I'm just going to put an X against A. It has come from space where the gravitational field strength is almost zero. Again, this relates to the spacecraft falling with constant speed using a parachute. So I'm not really sure that that relates to this question either. Part C, the air resistance is greater than the weight of the spacecraft. Well, if that were the case, if we think about this spacecraft, I'm going to draw a very simple diagram over here. This is the spacecraft here. It's falling downward at constant speed. V is constant, and so for that to happen, there has to be two forces acting on it, which are balanced. The weight acting downward on the spacecraft must be balanced by the air resistance acting upward. And so this statement C says that the air resistance is greater than the weight, so that's also not correct. And the weight of the spacecraft is greater than the air resistance, again, not correct. The air resistance is equal to the weight. As we've drawn here, we expect these things to be the same. If they are the same, then the forces are balanced, i.e. there's no unbalanced force, and so the velocity is constant. And so E is our correct answer.